Hello, I made a circuit. This circuit is light indicator circuit. It's almost like traffic signal. I have connected the circuit like three. Three have to go to the red LED. The fourth pin have to go to yellow LED. Fifth pin have to go to the green LED, and we have to take the ground pin and connect it on
Negatively.
negative line and connect the negative side of the LED to negative line and connect all the three pins. Then keep the positive side of the LED here on the line. Then program then it starts working. Thank you.
Can you explain me the program, Pranav?
Okay.
Okay.
The program is
Don't use sharp, please.
okay.
The first line.
Red LED.
Use mouse pointer as well. Else use mouse pointer.
We have activated 3 pin, 4 pin and 5 pin as we connected on the circuit. Void setup pin mode 3 output. There is no input, only directly output. Pin mode 3 pin output. Pin mode 4 pin output. Pin mode 5 pin output. Void loop. Detail read 1.
Digital right.
Digital right.
Red LED.
Red LED 1.
One meaning? What does that mean? Digital right, red LED 1 means what?
Means we have to. We are telling that red LED have to glow first.
Okay.
Delay 9000.
What does that mean?
Delay means wait.
Wait for?
Wait
How long it should wait?
9000 means 9 milliseconds.
9000 milliseconds mean 9 seconds. Okay.
Digital right, red LED 0 stop. Red means red LED have to be stop, off. It have to be off.
Okay.
Digital right, yellow LED 1 means the yellow LED have to glow first.
Glow. It's not first. It's yellow.
Glow second time it have to glow.
Okay.
Delay 3000 means we have to wait for 3000 milliseconds. 3000 milliseconds is equals to 3 seconds.
Okay.
Digital right, yellow LED 0.
Meaning after 3 seconds you want to?
Off my LED.
Okay.
I want to off my LED in 3 seconds. Digital right, green LED 1 means I have to, I want to make my green LED on again. Delay 9,000 milliseconds we have to wait.
Okay.
Then detailed digital write green LED 0 means it has to be off. Digital write green LED 1 it has to on. Digital write green LED off.
What does that mean? I mean, it's like what does that creates? On off meaning and delay.
Means it is going back to red. If it is in the green, when it blinks, it is saying that I'm going to red.
I'm
Please
about
stop.
to go to I'm about to go to red. Is that?
Yes.
Okay.
Now the program is completed, completely explained.
And after that, what do you have to do? You have to compile your sketch. You call it as a sketch, no? Is it? So you have to upload the sketch to Arduino
Yes.
by using the USB cable.
Yes.
And once upload is done, you have to
We have to enjoy our circuit.
well done, Pranav.